How to reverse a video on Snapchat. So if you want to reverse a video on your Snapchat, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, you need to open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, just simply take a snap. Once you've taken the snap, now you need to simply swipe left or right, where you will have all of the filters, right? You will have the speed filter or slow filter, and here you might have the reverse filter. So unfortunately on Android devices we don't have that reverse filter. So if you want to make a reverse video, then what you can do is just simply go back and open up any editing application. So for example, I have CapCut. You can simply go with your CapCut and reverse the video. Once you've reversed the video, you can export it from there and then you can upload it on your Snapchat. So you can open up your Snapchat. Now if you want to upload the reverse video, you can simply go with the top right, which has the director mode option. Tap on director mode and go with import media, which is on the bottom. And from here you can simply go with the camera roll video that you've just saved, and you can upload that video here on the Snapchat and send it as a snap. So that's how you can reverse a video on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.